Good morning, students. Now we are going to see exercise 3.13. It's nothing but nature of roots of the quadratic equation. We know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And also we know that the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and in this b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant, and the symbol of this discriminant is this. That means triangle. It looks like triangle symbol, and we should call us discriminant. And discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, and here three types. If the discriminant value is greater than 0, that means if it is positive, then the nature of root is real and unequal. The nature of root is nothing but real and unequal. If the discriminant value is equal to 0, then the nature of root is nothing but real and equal. If the discriminant is less than 0, that means negative value. If the discriminant occurs negative value, then it is said to be no real roots. The nature of roots is nothing but no real roots. Okay, we'll move on to the exercise sum. So first one is nothing but determine the nature of roots. First question is 15x square plus 11x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the general form already we know that it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So instead of a, we should write it as 15. Instead of b, we should write it as 11. Instead of c, we should write it as 2. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. You should substitute the value of a, b and c where it is. So b square, the b value is nothing but 11. So we are substituting instead of b 11. So it becomes 11 square. And in formula it minus, that means b square minus. So 11 square minus 4ac. 4 into, instead of a you are substituting 15, into, instead of c you are substituting 2. So 4 into 15 into 2 is nothing but 120, as well as 11 square is nothing but 121. If you subtract these two, 121 minus 120 is nothing but 1. So 1 is nothing but greater than 0. So discriminant value is greater than 0. So the nature of root, that means the equation will have real and unequal roots. The nature of roots is nothing but real and equal roots. Okay. Now second sum, do it as a homework. Try that. It's very easy and a simple sum. Now we will move on to third sum. Square root of 2t square minus 3t plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So in this, a value is nothing but square root of 2 and b value is nothing but minus 3 and c value is nothing but 3 square root of 2. So already the discriminant, we know that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So we are going to substitute what we did in the previous sum, the same procedure for all the exercise sums. The same procedure, there will be no changes in that. So substitute minus 3 instead of b. So minus 3 the whole square minus 4ac. So 4, a is nothing but square root of 2 into c is nothing but 3 root 2. We know that 3 square is 9. If it is negative, square comes, it becomes positive. If the square comes, then it becomes positive. So minus 3 the whole square becomes plus 9. So 9 minus 4, write the 4 as it is, and root 2 into 3 root 2. So 3, write the 3 here, and root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. So here these 2 root 2 comes here as 2. If you multiply 4 into 3 into 2, it becomes 24. Already 3 square is 9. So 9 minus 24 is nothing but minus 15. So minus 15 is less than 0. That means the discriminant is less than 0. If the negative value occurs, then the nature of root is nothing but no real roots. Next, fourth question. 9y square minus 6 root 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Same, a value is equal to 9, b value is equal to minus 6 root 2 and c value is equal to 2. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So we are going to substitute each and every value in the discriminant. It means instead of b, minus 6 root 2 the whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a is nothing but 9 into c is nothing but 2. Okay, 6 root 2 whole square. So how we square this term? So I explained in this rough column. So minus 6 root 2 the whole square. So we are taking the square to both 6 as well as root 2. So 6 square root 2 the whole square. Square and root getting cancelled, it becomes 2. And 6 square is nothing but 36. So 36 into 2. 36 2s are 72. So the value of minus 6 root 2 the whole square is 72. And minus 4 into 9 into 2. That means 4 9s are 36. 36 2s are 72. So 72 minus 72 is nothing but 0. So if the discriminant is equal to 0, then the nature of root is real and equal. Okay, next, fifth sum. The question is 9a square b square x square minus 24abcd x plus 16c square d square is equal to 0. So a is equal to 9a square b square. You should not take x square. And b is equal to minus 24abcd. So we should not take x. And c value is nothing but constant. C is equal to 16c square d square. So in the previous sums we taken as small a, small b and small c. Here in the question itself they given small a, small b, small c. So that's why discriminant normally we taken small b square minus 4a small a and small c. In the question they given small a, small b, small c. So that's why we are taking discriminant value is equal to capital B square minus 4 into capital A into capital C. Okay, to identify we are taking this, we are changing this into capital letters. So now as usual, same procedure. So instead of b we are substituting minus 24 abcd the whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a value is 9a square b square and c value is 16c square d square. So minus 24 the whole square is 576. A, B, C, D the whole square is nothing but a square, b square, c square, d square minus. So 4 into 9 into 16. If you multiply these three numbers, you will get 576. The same. A square, b square, c square, d square. If you subtract these two, will get 0. So discriminant, if discriminant is equal to 0, then the nature of root is real and equal. Now second question, find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the roots of the following equations are real and equal. They said the equations are real and equal. If the nature of roots are real and equal, then the discriminant value will be 0. They given two questions. So first I'll do this. Second one, try that as a homework. So first question is 5k minus 6 into x square plus 2kx plus 1 is equal to 0. So the general form we know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is nothing but 5k minus 6, b is 2k and c is 1. And discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. In the question they given real and equal. The nature of root is real and equal. So the discriminant value should be 0. So that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So the same procedure we are going to substitute the values a, b, c values in the discriminant. So instead of b, 2k the whole square minus 4 into, instead of a, 5k minus 6 we are substituting, and instead of c we are substituting 1 here. So is equal to 0 because the discriminant, the nature of root is real and equal, so discriminant value is equal to 0. So here we written is equal to 0. So 2k the whole square is nothing but 4k square minus, so multiply this 4 inside of this 5k minus 6. So 4 5s are 20. So 20k minus into minus becomes plus. So 4 6 are 24 is equal to 0. See, 4k square minus 20k plus 24. So each and every terms the numbers comes in 4 table. So we are dividing by 4. Each and every term we are dividing by 4. So if you divide by 4, it becomes k square minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0. So each and every term we are dividing by 4. So we'll get k square minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0. So normal factorization, the quadratic form, it comes in quadratic form. We need to factorize to find the value of k. So if you multiply two numbers, you have to get 6. The same way, if you add, you have to get minus 5. So minus 3 into minus 2 becomes plus 6, and minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5. So here you can take this as k minus 3 and k minus 2 is equal to 0. So if you take that values, that means 3 and 2 numbers to opposite side, the value of k is nothing but minus 3. If it goes to opposite side, it becomes plus 3, and minus 2 if it is go to opposite side, then it becomes plus 2. So the value of k is plus 3 and plus 2.